Hi, I'm Roshita Girish. You're watching Yoga with Roshita. Today, I would like to show you how to practice the Bhujangasana series. The Bhujangasana series work on the lower back. They are great exercises for people who are suffering from lower back issues. It stretches your entire spine. It stimulates the nerves running along your spine. It also strengthens your abdominal muscles because you're stretching your abdominal muscles. In turn, it stimulates the organs within your abdominal cavity, helping especially your digestive system to function better. Um, it also stretches the muscles around your neck. So it's a great stretch. So hope you enjoy practicing along with me. Start with Saral Bhujangasana. Saral means easy. Bhujangasana is the cobra pose. For the Saral Bhujangasana, your hands will be in L shaped, your shoulders in line with your elbows, elbows in line with your wrist, palms completely pressed on the mat, legs will be slightly apart. Focus on your lower back, stretch your neck, look towards the ceiling and hold. One, take 5 deep breaths. Two, three, four, and 5. Slowly release. Feet together. We'll start with the Bhujangasana series. Thumbs in line with your temples. We'll start with Sirohasta Bhujangasana. Sir means head. Hasta is a hand. Take a deep breath in. Using the heel of your palm, stretch out your arms completely and hold for 5 deep breaths. Try to keep your feet together. Shoulders roll away from your ears and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Fingers in line with your ears. Karna Hasta Bhujangasana. Karna means ears and Hasta is your hands. Take a deep breath in. Using the heel of your palms, stretch your arms completely without bending at the elbows. Feel the stretch around your lower back and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Fingers in line with your shoulders. Skandha Hasta Bhujangasana. Elbows will be close to your body, not winged out. Take a deep breath in. Again, using the heel of your palms, lift your torso up. This time without stretching your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. Forehead on the mat. Fingers in line with your chest. Hands in line with your waist. Kati Bhujangasana. Kati Hasta Bhujangasana. Take a deep breath in. Using the heel of your palms, stretch out your arms completely. Come to upward facing dog, one of the Surya Namaskar pose. Try to push your pelvis towards the mat. Draw your shoulders away from your ears and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly bend your elbows and release the asana. Hands stretched behind. I'll show you another simple stretch for your lower back. Take a deep breath in. Interlock your fingers and lift your torso up as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. The other variation is lifting your torso and your legs up together. Take a deep breath in and lift your legs and your torso up. Even if your legs are a few inches off the mat, it is okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release. We'll practice one more relaxing asana. It's called Nirlamba Bhujangasana, where your elbows will be pointing towards each other. You'll be resting on your palms, chin resting on your palms. Bend your legs and just move your elbows forward and relax. Thank you so much for watching Yoga with Roshita.